Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to rotate image in Adobe Lightroom. It's really quick and simple, and the process is really straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos, and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library where you can add and edit any photo you'd like. Now tap on the photo that you'd like to edit, and on the bottom options, you will see Crop as the third option. Tap on that, and here, on the fourth option, you will see Rotate. You can simply tap on Rotate, and your image will rotate to 90, 180, 360, and so on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.